Hello friends! Is your car experiencing rough idling, loss of power, or poor acceleration? If your check engine light is on and the scanner shows code P0291, it means cylinder 11 injector circuit low. This issue can lead to engine misfires, poor fuel economy, and even complete injector failure. But don't worry, in this video, we'll explain what P0291 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's begin. What is P0291? P0291 stands for cylinder 11 injector circuit low. This means that the fuel injector for cylinder 11 is not receiving the correct voltage, causing insufficient fuel delivery to the engine. If ignored, it can lead to serious engine performance issues. Common symptoms of P0291: check engine, light on, engine misfiring or running rough, loss of power and acceleration, increased fuel consumption, hard starting or engine stalling, and unusual engine knocking sounds. If left unchecked, this issue can cause engine damage and reduce fuel efficiency. Sensor location: where to check to diagnose and fix P0291. Check these key components. Cylinder 11, fuel injector located near the intake manifold or cylinder head connected to the fuel rail. Fuel rail pressure sensor mounted on the fuel rail, responsible for measuring fuel pressure. Injector wiring, harness runs along the engine bay supplying voltage to the injector. Engine control unit, located in the engine bay or under the dashboard, controlling injector timing. Fuel pressure regulator, found on the fuel rail or inside the fuel tank, regulating fuel flow. A failure in any of these parts can trigger P0291. Alright, let's dive into the common causes of the P0291 code. First up, a faulty fuel injector. The injector may be clogged or malfunctioning, which restricts fuel flow. Next, we have low fuel pressure. A weak fuel pump or a pressure regulator can lead to injector failure. Then there are wiring issues. Corroded, damaged, or loose injector wiring can disrupt the voltage. Another cause could be an ECU malfunction. The engine control unit might be sending incorrect signals to the injector. And lastly, a clogged fuel filter. A dirty fuel filter can restrict the fuel supply to the injectors. So how do we fix the P0291 code? Here are the steps. First, inspect and replace the cylinder 11 fuel injector if it's faulty. Next, check the fuel rail pressure sensor for any defects. Then inspect the injector wiring harness for corrosion or loose connections. After that, test the fuel pump and fuel pressure regulator to ensure proper fuel delivery. Also, replace the fuel filter if it's clogged. And finally, reset the ECU with an obd2 scanner after making the repairs. In summary, the P0291 code is a fuel injector circuit issue affecting cylinder 11. This can lead to engine misfires, poor performance, and increased fuel consumption. Fixing it early will restore power and prevent costly engine damage. Want to learn more about fuel injector issues? Watch these next videos. P0257, injection pump fuel metering control B low, and P0258, injection pump fuel metering control B high. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.